Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to make your Telegram channel request to join only. Sometimes you may want to make your Telegram channel request to join only to keep it private and controlled. This ensures that new members cannot join freely and must be approved by an admin. It's useful for groups where you want to maintain privacy, moderate discussions, or share content with a selected audience only. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Then go to the channel that you want to set to request to join only. You can find it from your chat list or by searching for the channel. Now tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel info page where you can see details, members, and settings. Here, tap on channel settings to access all the options for your channel, including privacy links and permissions. Next, tap on channel type. This is where you can switch between public and private settings for your channel. Now select private channel. Choosing a private channel removes public access, meaning only people with a valid invite link can request to join. After that, tap on manage invite links. Here, you can see all existing invite links for your channel and control who can use them. You can edit or delete old links if needed. Now go back and tap the tick icon from the top right corner to save any changes you made so far. Next, tap on channel type again, and then tap on manage invite links. Here, tap on create a new link. This allows you to make a special invite link with extra restrictions. Now turn the toggle on for request admin approval. This ensures that anyone using this link will need approval from an admin before they can join the channel. Finally, tap on create from the top right corner. Your new invite link is now active, and anyone trying to join will have to wait for admin approval. Now your Telegram channel is fully set so that members can only join after being approved, keeping your community safe, private, and well managed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.